Hello everyone, Lloyd from Bizzfo with another short tutorial. What I'm going to cover today is having a look at how to import a specific invoice into your system. This could possibly be from a stock low report you have received that you want to create a stock transfer, or just simply having items outside of your system and want to import them as an invoice. So just as a quick example, in this case what we have is the mail sent from your point of sale system. Let's open it up, and this is a typical stock low report, cappuccino and sandwich, and we're going to import these items back as an invoice and then create a stock transfer from them. So let's see how we do that. Okay, first thing we want to do is let's go to our import screen. I'm going to select my branch, and then what I'm going to do is out of my options I'm going to do an invoice import. There is an item sold invoice import. There's a lot of fields in this import, so we're going to use the simplified one, which is the invoice import. So let's get that template. So once we have the template, we can open that up and it would look something like this. Important to keep the file header the same, and the minimum what we need is the product name, and very important, the supplier as well. So these items need to match. If they don't match, then you will have trouble with your import file. Let's quickly confirm if we have that client. So my infamous shop in the sky is definitely here. Let's have a look at my products as well. Just doing the filter. So you see I got two products here and they're both listed as 0. So let's go and continue the import. Okay, so let's click on our import. We'll do this one and we select this invoice import. Click on the import button. Let's find the file. It will be this one. Importing it, and I'm uploading this file. I'm just going to refresh again. So important to note, so it's imported, it is already deducted the quantities of these products. So let's go to our sales, let's go to our find invoice, invoices for today, and we can see they are listed here. So the client is the shop in the sky, and these are the two products that are on my system. So I can now, important that you'll notice that this transaction is still open, so it still needs to be finalized. In this case, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take this and actually transfer it to my, I'll just use this one. So just have a look, important, this is a transfer stock. If you wanted to create an invoice, you could just change that to invoice, but we'll leave it as transfer stock. And let's go and finalize this order. Good, so let's go back to our inventory. On our inventory screen, let's have a look at the factory. So you can see these are the items, so they were moved from the factory or sold out of the factory, and then the my shop, they actually received the stock on this side. So that's a very simple way of importing invoices from outside of the Hive, especially if you have bulk items that you created outside. And this will naturally help. You can obviously create your own invoices in the Hive, but it takes a little bit longer to find the items. In this case, I would say shop in this. What was this? Sandwich. So this would be our normal process where we would say, okay, we want 16 or 19, and then add them. So if you do it outside of the system, it's just a bit quicker. So that's it for the tutorial on how to import invoices from outside the Hive. Thank you. Any questions though, send it to info@bizzfo.co.za.